Still wondering why your business isn't showing up on Google? Well, you're not alone. Most local business owners have no idea how their competitors are getting all the clicks, and they're left wondering, what are they doing wrong? Perhaps you've tried updating your Google business profile. Maybe you've added a few photos, got some reviews, maybe you even paid somebody to handle it for you, but you're still invisible. Meanwhile, your competitor, well, there they are, right at the top of the map pack again. Even though you know they're not doing any better work than you are. Trust me, I get it. I spent over 25 years in SEO working with small business owners just like you. Plumbers, roofers, electricians, attorneys, and lots of others who are wasting money on tactics that just didn't move the needle. That's exactly why I created this masterclass, to change that, to give you the same blueprint that I've been using to help my local clients dominate their markets without spending a dollar on ads. I'm going to walk you through everything, step by step, and show you how to optimize your Google business profile the right way, so you'll go from buried in the search results to booked solid. If you're ready to stop losing leads to competitors, if you're ready to get found, get chosen, and get results, join me live for the Ultimate Google Business Profile Blueprint, my 2-day masterclass on June 17th and 18th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Class is only $47, and you're going to get 2 jam-packed training sessions, plus the replays, plus a bonus live Q&A session on Monday the 23rd, where I'll answer any additional questions that you may have. So go ahead, click the button on this page somewhere, grab your spot, and let's make sure that your Google business profile finally shows up where it matters most, at the top of Google.